10 little fish were swimming in the sea, splishing and splashing so happily. Along came a big fish, what did they do? They darted away, then there were 2 times 5, still 10.
Woo-hoo! 10 little fish swam round and round in the deep blue sea where treasures are found. One found coral bright and red, the others giggled and quickly fled.
9 little fish swam near a reef, one hid behind a bright green leaf. They played peekaboo the whole long day, then swam together and swished away.
8 little fish blew bubbles high, they floated gently toward the sky.
They met a crab with tiny claws, who waved hello with happy paws.
7 little fish saw a turtle glide, riding the waves with peaceful pride.
They followed along,
Slow and neat,
listening to the ocean's beat.
6 little fish chased a ray, gliding and twirling in playful sway.
5 little fish swam through a cave where shiny shells and sea stars waved.
4 little fish found a school of friends,
They danced in circles.
fun never ends. 3 little fish played hide and seek behind a stone and coral peak.
2 little fish saw